What?
In West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Monroe, and Eastern Pendleton.
In Virginia,
High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include in Maryland, central and eastern Allegheny and western Garrett counties. In Virginia, central Virginia Blue Ridge and northern Virginia Blue Ridge, and eastern Highland and western Highland counties. In West Virginia, eastern Grant, eastern Monroe, and eastern Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. Impact, damage and winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details, the strongest winds are expected above 3,000 feet around or just before daybreak Friday. A second and more widespread surge will follow from about midday through late afternoon, with a third surge of wind possible Friday evening. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Widespread surge will follow from about midday through late afternoon, with a third surge of wind possible Friday evening. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Well, that was unexpected.